So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And you guys, I have this huge box from eFavormart that I'm going to haul today. I'd like to say thank you to eFavormart for sending me over this beautiful package. They have so much good stuff in there, you guys. I can't wait for you to see what's in there. So keep watching, see what the haul is.
Well, I just wanted to show you guys everything that I got, and also this website is the most easiest website to navigate and to find anything you need. So let me just show you guys everything that I got. So of course you guys know I like my battery operated lights. I picked up these lights. These are gorgeous and they are the LED ones. I also got these square gems. Let me just open one up so you guys can see. These square gems, they're gorgeous. I got a bunch, like 2 packs of these. You guys know I always use these in my DIYs. These are my favorite gems to use, and they have a whole bunch of different gems that you can use. Like, it's just unbelievable. I got these chandelier ones. These are the ones that are, oh, they're singled actually. So this is really cool. So I could just grab one and, you know, put the rest away. So I want to show you guys. These are the ones that are like rectangular shaped, and I love this. Guys, look at this big, humongous roll of bling wrap, you guys. You guys. Oh, I can't wait to bling wrap. I got 2 of these chandeliers. I want to show you guys everything that I got. So shipping was really easy. Everything was really easy to do on this website. Shh. My puppy's going crazy. And you know, I found it really, really easy to use. So I'm really excited. I got these solar lights. I got 2 of these for my balcony because we live in a condo and we're not allowed to have lights in our balcony unless if it's solar or battery operated. So I got these ones for the balcony. So I got 2 of them. These are the same. I got this, you guys, I got this. Look at this. Isn't that what you find at these Home Goods and Marshalls and, you know, places? Oh, I got this. Got 2 of these. If you're not already running to this website, you guys, I just love it. Oh, I want to show you guys this. I got 2 of these as well. Oh, I can figure out the DIY for this already. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. And they have them in different lengths. So they have them in different heights, sorry. So you could get probably a taller one than this. Wow, it's so pretty, you guys, honestly. You could put a candle in there. It's super duper pretty. I got some silver baby's breath, of course. And the stuff is really pretty, really cute. Absolutely amazing. Look what I picked up for my daughter. You guys, you can even find this on the website. They have these LED bubble guns. So if you have a wedding or you have a party, you could just pick a couple of these up and, you know, use them. I picked up 2 of these for my closet. These are the lights that you just pull, battery operated as well, and they have a stick on at the back. This is an LED, so I picked it up for our closet. And I absolutely love this one. This one is one of my favorites. And again, you can find these ones in another size as well. So it comes really protected. Are you ready for the pièce de résistance? Here it is, you guys. Look at this crystal candle holder. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, I can see this on my entrance table. And there's a mirror on the bottom. And it's, you guys, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I love it. And I got 2 of it. I got 2 of these. You guys, it's so cool. I'm so happy with everything that I got. You guys, please go ahead and check out the website. You can use the name of my channel, which is Jen's Lifestyle and DIY, to get 15% off. You can use this code to get 15% off. And please go ahead and check it out, you guys. Don't wait any longer. Of course, you know we never get these anywhere at our Dollar Trees. We never get these, so why not just buy a whole pack and just use them, you know, keep using it. Like, it's just amazing. Thank you so much to my friends at eFavormart again. Amazing. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day and look forward to my other DIYs coming up this weekend with everything. There's some of the stuff that I got. You guys, I'm super excited. Oh, what's wrong with this here? Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, you guys. Look how cute this is.